Hey traders, I just want to show you one of our indicators that you might want to pay attention to here. If you're looking for Forex signals, it's coming off this one down the bottom. Okay, sell, buy. Just going to run through. These are the ones that have been going off. So that's the VIX. Let's have a look at the pound Swiss. Okay, there's a nice sell. The dollar. Yeah, I mean, these are just the last signals that are fired with this nice one. Okay, exit on these dots up here. We've got a whole strategy around this. Gold, now that was the trade we took yesterday. I took it off that signal. Euro, dollar, nice. Which one of these would you not want? Pound, dollar. This is available. Okay, the indicator is called the Forex Strength Velocity Logic. This one down the bottom. Gain access, 7 days completely free, or 14 days depending on you. Have a look at the two options on my website, anthonyfx.com. Try it for a week and see how this works. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.